Welcome to the EV Zone YouTube channel. Every week, the EV world charges ahead with game-changing innovations and surprising developments. And this week is no different. As promised to bring you the latest EV news as they break, today we're diving into one of the most surprising Volvo updates we've seen so far. If you've been following this channel, you'll remember our first video where we broke the news that the Volvo EX60 could deliver up to 400 miles of range with a structural battery and megacasting technology, making it one of the most advanced EV SUVs in the pipeline. Then in our second X60 update, we revealed Volvo's new multi-adaptive AI seatbelt, the upcoming SPA3 platform, and the official January 2026 debut window. But today we're looking at something completely different, something even bigger. Because a brand new report has just confirmed that the all-electric Volvo EX60 built on an 800-volt architecture could actually be cheaper than many people expect. This is the kind of news that changes the EV landscape. And today we're breaking down exactly how Volvo is planning to pull this off. In this video, we will cover the following 6 topics. Section 1, Volvo's shocking pricing strategy and why EX60 may cost less than rivals. Section 2, how the 800-volt architecture plays a key role in lowering costs. Section 3, Volvo's partnership and shared technology advantage with Geely. Section 4, the new manufacturing strategy, mega casting, structural batteries and cost reductions. Section 5, what this means for Tesla, BMW, Mercedes and the midsize EV SUV segment. Section 6, interior and features, what to expect from a premium EV priced like a hybrid. If this sounds good and it's something you'd want to watch, stick around as we break the news. With that said, let's dive in. Video disclaimer. First things first, before we dive into the Volvo EX60 pricing update, please note that this video is presented purely as an EV advancement news update, and the images shown are for illustrative purposes only and have no affiliation with the company or the brand. I'm simply sharing exciting developments in the EV industry. For more details about this topic, please visit the news source or the official website. Find the news source in the video description. Section 1, Volvo's shocking pricing strategy and why the EX60 might be cheaper than expected. Inside EVs has confirmed something that almost no one saw coming. Volvo's goal is to price the all-electric X60 at roughly the same price as the current XC60 plug-in hybrid. Let that sink in. A premium 800-volt electric SUV built on an advanced platform using megacasting and structural battery tech, yet priced similarly to a hybrid. This is not the usual EV strategy where brands charge a massive premium for their electric models. Volvo's move signals a serious commitment to making the EX60 a volume seller, not a niche luxury EV. This could put the EX60 in the $55,000–$65,000 USD range, depending on market. And if that holds true, Volvo will instantly gain a major advantage over EV rivals who are increasing prices instead of lowering them. Section 2, how the 800-volt architecture helps lower costs. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The EX60 will be built on an 800-volt electrical platform. Most people talk about 800-volt systems in terms of charging speed, and yes, it will deliver extremely fast DC charging, but there's another benefit. Efficiency equals reduced battery cost. In an 800-volt system, less current is needed. Cables and components run cooler, smaller wiring can be used, energy transfer is more efficient, the battery operates more optimally. All of this reduces the cost of heavy components and cooling hardware, which means Volvo can offer the EX60 at a lower price without reducing quality or range. Many brands use 800-volt tech to justify higher prices. Volvo is using it to reduce prices. This is a different philosophy and honestly a refreshing one. Section 3. Shared tech and the Geely advantage. Another major factor behind the potential low pricing, Volvo's shared technology ecosystem with Geely. This is something Inside EVs highlight strongly. Volvo is part of the Geely family, which means they can share battery development, software platforms, manufacturing processes, supply chains, components, electric drivetrains. This dramatically reduces R&D costs. Instead of developing every new EV component from scratch, Volvo can tap into a billion-dollar electric vehicle ecosystem. This gives them the ability to build a high-end EV at a lower cost, something most competitors simply cannot do. While Tesla vertically integrates for efficiency, Volvo co-integrates inside a wider ecosystem. And that's how the EX60 becomes premium technology at a hybrid price. Section 4. New manufacturing strategy. Mega casting plus structural battery equals major cost reductions. If you watched my very first EX60 video, you'll remember that we discussed Volvo's plans to use structural battery packs, mega casting for underbody components. At that time, the conversation was focused on performance, weight reduction and sustainability. But now, we're seeing the financial side of the story. Structural batteries eliminate unnecessary housing materials. Mega casting replaces hundreds of small, welded components with single aluminum castings. These two technologies reduce production time, reduce factory energy usage, reduce assembly complexity, reduce vehicle weight, improve rigidity. In other words, they reduce manufacturing costs, which allows Volvo to offer the EX60 at a price that rivals hybrid SUVs. This is very likely why Volvo feels confident enough to aim for price parity with the XC60 plug-in hybrid. The technology isn't just futuristic, it's also financially efficient. Section 5. What this means for Tesla, BMW, Mercedes, and the entire mid-size EV SUV market. If Volvo succeeds with this pricing strategy, it will send shockwaves across the EV industry. Tesla's Model Y has dominated because it offers the most value per dollar. BMW's iX3 leans heavily on the premium brand name. Mercedes positions the EQC as a luxury EV alternative. But Volvo is trying to do something different, deliver premium EV technology at a mid-tier price. This positions the EX60 as a value competitor to Tesla Model Y, a premium competitor to BMW and Mercedes, a realistic choice for families upgrading from the XC60, a technological rival to next-gen EV platforms. And with its planned January 2026 debut, Volvo is entering the EV race at the perfect moment, right as battery prices begin falling and EV adoption begins rising and consumers start demanding better value, not just better technology. Volvo is reading the market correctly. Section 6. Interior and features. What to expect from a premium EV priced like a hybrid. Although Volvo hasn't fully revealed the EX60 interior yet, industry reports and prototypes give us strong hints. A minimalistic Scandinavian layout, large vertically oriented infotainment display, Google-based software, a panoramic roof, sustainable premium materials, advanced driver assistance features, next-gen safety sensors and monitoring, Volvo's new multi-adaptive seatbelt system covered in our previous video. But here's the key idea. The X60 interior will be premium, not entry level. Volvo is not trying to build a cheap EV, they're trying to build a high-end EV that happens to be affordable, which is exactly why the pricing revelation is so important. Your thoughts? Now I want to hear from you. This update from Inside EVs changes the entire conversation around the Volvo X60. So let's open this up. If Volvo truly delivers an 800-volt midsize electric SUV with structural battery technology, mega casting manufacturing, long-range efficiency, a premium interior, and next-generation Volvo safety, all at the same price as the current XC60 hybrid, would this be enough to make you consider adding the X60 to your shortlist? Or maybe even switching from a Tesla Model Y, a BMW iX3, or your current combustion or hybrid SUV? Do you think Volvo is making the right move by focusing on value, not just technology? And here's the big question. Is this the beginning of a new trend where premium EVs start matching hybrid prices? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I genuinely want to see where the community stands on this. Your comments are also a big part of what helps guide future EV Zone videos, so don't be shy. I read every single one. What's next? The EV world is evolving faster than ever, and the Volvo X60 is just one piece of a much bigger shift happening in real time. Battery prices are dropping, new platforms are emerging, and brands are now racing not only for innovation but also for affordability. Here on the EV Zone, we don't do hype. We break down the stories that matter, the trends shaping the industry, and the updates that genuinely impact real drivers, families, and future buyers. So stay tuned, because as soon as the next major EV breakthrough hits, whether it's a range upgrade, a new battery chemistry, a surprise launch date, or another big announcement from Volvo or any other automaker, we'll be here to break it all down for you in a clear and honest way. This is the EV Zone, where we simplify the EV world, cut through the noise, and bring you the real story behind each breakthrough. Thanks for watching, stay charged, and I'll see you in the next video. So, what do you think of this video? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share them in the comments section below. At EV Zone, we believe open discussions can lead to great discoveries. Here, we consider both sides of the coin and welcome all viewpoints to explore new possibilities. In the search for greener energy options, we encourage our audience to join in and share their ideas. Each of us has unique, creative contributions to offer. So if you have something to share, reach out to us and we'll create a video to share it with our audience. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of EVs. Whether you're an enthusiast or simply curious about the future of transportation, stay tuned for more exciting content on EV Zone. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video to support our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.